to our generous and good city mayor of Pasang City, Honorable Henry N.D. Wangal, sir, our provincial director, Police Colonel Romel Maglio, sir, Vice Mayor Simplicia Neri, members of the City Council, allow me to mention them individually para magpasalamat po sa inyong support. Honorable Lorly F. Sepres, Honorable Cecil Po, Honorable Daniel C. Lau, Honorable Kat Lim, Honorable Marcelo S. Romero II, Honorable Saudo El Salvador, Honorable Juanito Bisakin Jr., Honorable Orlando Biswiso Jr., Honorable Marcelian C. Tapayan, Honorable Sancho Iswamina Jr., Honorable Relinda E. Bation, Honorable Giancarlo E. Moralion, Honorable Janfield D. Duhay Longson, and sa ako ang favorite na professor, and Honorable Judge Benedict Cotto Ramos, Judge, Honorable Judge Luis Yolo, Judge, Honorable Judge Yanni Sacote Balconcha, ang founder sa The League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, Attorney June Fernandez, our General Services Officer, Sir Paul Singh, the Asenso Media Team, Sir Brad Singh, Sir Mervyn Ang, Ma'am Sharon Tan, my family, akong mama, Evangeline Tano, akong amahan, Dionisio Tano Jr. at General Borja. So, kailangan siya General Borja sa mga operatiba. Kaya mura daw sa General Borja sa probinsyano. Of course, my wife, Jingjing, and my son, Shusho, and my mommy. So, swerte ko na ako'y mama, ako'y mami. Sister sa akong mama, muli nagpadakok na ako since I was 5 years old. Edith Tabaw. And my sister, Janine Boderos. And sa mga officers there present, the First Commander of SICAN PNFC, Police Lieutenant Colonel Andoy, sir, sa ako mga snappy na mga deputies na I think mas bangga din sila. Snappy and capable pagdating sa buwan. Led by my deputy, Police Major S. Revillas. And of course, my intelligence officer, Edward Malano, Captain Edward Malano, and my operations officer, Police Captain Hagbabanwa, and my classmate, my sispo, Ben Ceballos, of course, the Chief of Police of Clarin Municipal Police Station, Police Major Alvin Tamayo, and the Chief of Police of Aloran Municipal Police Station, Police Major Cabal. Also have the General Officer of SICAN PNFC, Police Lieutenant Joe Anoos. Sa atong tanan, friends, media, Mr. Bogsapin, Police Major Acosta. Mayong hapon, ganatong tanan. So, wala ko nag-prepare o speech kay gusto na ko na kung sa Tagalog pa bukal sa kalooban. So, when our provincial director said to me na ay turnover ceremony, turnover or assumption of office, ingon ko ni sir na wala na sila program sir, ditso na lang o assumption, just like my assumption way back May 9, 2022, during election na pinakalit. So I assume office at 8 p.m. Diretso na. Luoy pa na po ang chief of police na ilisan kay wakot sa kabalo na ma-assume na po nagabot ko sa opisina nang tabak ko paghapot sa iyang butang. So, kanang gusto ni PD, pasalamat po sa atong provincial director for this initiative kay PD said na no, don't deprive yourself na magpasalamat ka sa mga tao na nintapang along the way sa inyong pag-servisyo sa Usami City. And sakto sir, I hope sir, so kagamay sir, Bisaya, mo sir, kaya salamat ko mahirapan pag Tagalog ako. At least 2 years, sabi ni Billy, 2 years is not easy. You graduated and fulfill mo ang imong term for 2 years as chief of police. So we have this policy na 2 years na time to lead for to give chance na to others na sila na po ang lead sa Usami Station, and also to look for another pasture na po na to improve to hone our skills na po ang asa ta i-ibutang. And indeed sir, sakto rin sir. Una sa tanan, magpasalamat ko sa Ginoo. Kung dili ko siguro kung sa Ginoo, gusto ko mag-survive sa Usami City. Emotional ko, pero manang ko kila kami, pero dili nang takarap. Ay mga challenges along the way na mingon ka na as human being, dili mo kaya. Dili lagi ko mong buwan. Mingon sila si Luzertano, tough, strong, pero the big side. Walaan talaga ni Pili, sabi ni Pili, iyak talaga. 2 years is not easy. Chief of Police ka dire, daghang scenario along the way, ay mga different challenges, difficult, easy, ako unique. Dalawan di ko nga tawag kay every time may difficulties, I pray. Dili na lagi bago mo kuha. Pero napasayon na ako ang trabaho sa as chief of police din sa Usamis because si Mayor wala ko'y difficulties in dealing with Mayor sa LGU, well provided Usamis City Police Station. Naabutan pa lang po si Comando as Mayor for 2 months, and then he stepped down kay he was elected as congressman, and at least nabilin ko kung ano ni Mayor endorse. Nalipay ko during sa inaugural speech ni Mayor na the peace and order is